you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. Alright guys, we're back with another video. We got a package in today. We got the Taramps amplifiers. We got the Big Boss 8Ks. These are the ones with the RGB lights in them. Depending on where you order them from, they will come with a remote, like a bass knob. These didn't. But we got two of them. I'm gonna go ahead. They can't. Well, depending on where you order from, it's depending on how it's gonna be packaged. Most of the time they like to ship them directly in these boxes. Depending if you order off Amazon or where you order from, you gotta ask them to put it inside of another box. But it usually comes. It works coming in these boxes, but I don't know. I prefer mine in something else. But y'all can see right here. Let me turn that around. Well, I'll just turn the amp around. Ain't no point in it. I need that back. Oh. Y'all see right there, these are the lights right here. I'm gonna make this a quick video. It's kind of hot and I want to get these things installed and playing, and we'll do another follow-up. You got 2 grounds, 2 hot, 2 powers, 2 positive, 2 negative. You got your fans right here as usual. On the bottom, you know, it's no vents, it's just all on the sides. Like I said, it's gonna be a quick video. You got your speaker outputs right there. RCAs, it's not Tiffany style, but you know, of course your plastic knobs here, and of course your fans, you know, your outs. Now, it's not a fan on this side, it just blows through and goes out the other side. But y'all see right here, packaged real well. And you get your big Taramp sticker right here. So you know, I don't know if I even got enough room to put that, but you do get it. And of course I got 2 of these. Y'all can see. Like I said, I ain't gonna hold y'all, you know what I'm saying? Cause I gotta get this installed. So we're gonna go ahead. I don't know how long this video is. Where we at now? 2 minutes. See how fast that was? Y'all done seen one of these before, so I ain't gonna hold y'all up. Taramps Big Boss 8, it does the same power at a half on the 2 ohm. And I needed this so I can wire down to 0.67. That's hopefully that'll help me out. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna give y'all an update when I get this thing installed. We'll be back.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.